What up, YouTube? It's your boy Polo Evolve back with another video, another trade recap. It's Friday, end of the week, and it was another winning day. So it's $197 on the day. Let me go through the trades that I took. This is gold. The daily is, as you can tell, previous. Oh, give me one second. As you can tell, the previous daily was bullish, or close with the creating support. So we anticipated once this one did not break the previous low, that it was going to continue up. We go down to the 4 hour. We see that it's kind of accumulating here, and it's looking to have a breakout now. Initially, I ended up taking a small loss on this, so I had about 2 entries. So today was actually a pretty bad day, if I do say so myself. The reason being is because I took too many entries, especially on a Friday, and I was in a bit of drawdown. Now, let's say, like for this gold trade, I took about 2 entries, maybe even, yeah, just 2 entries actually. But so initially, when this candle opened at 9 o'clock, I had a feeling that we were gonna break above, but I wasn't too sure. So I wanted to wait until the candle would close above, but I took an impulsive entry once it did break. And then once it closed back in, this candle kind of started retracing. So I just took a small loss. I think I took like a $200 loss. And then once I re-entered later on, once this candle started breaking its own highs, and it didn't break the previous low. And eventually it ended up closing and then, hitting TP, which again, because I took the loss earlier, I basically broke even on this trade, or I think I made like $100 or something like that. Now with NQ, same thing here. I took about 2 entries here. And let me break it down for you guys. So on the daily, obviously we went up in the last couple of days, and now we're going down. This daily, I'm anticipating that's going to go down as well. This 1 hour closed. This is the 8 o'clock 1 hour. Now, if you bust it down to the 30-minute at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock actually closed bearish. So I assumed, okay, you know what? This is a fake out. This candle closing above is a fake out, and I'm gonna assume that we're gonna go down. Which at market open we did have a push down. My TP was down here, but my stop loss was basically just above these 5-minute candles. Let me show you. It's like somewhere around here. So I assumed that, you know what, we're gonna go down, and it didn't end up hitting my TP, and I didn't move stops to break even or anything like that. So I ended up taking like a $400 loss, which was pretty bad. So then you got to think about it. Okay, so I took a small loss on gold, right? Because initially I entered too prematurely, and then I basically chickened out. So I ended up losing on that trade, and I ended up losing on NQ as well. And then I think my drawdown when at a certain point in this session was about like 400 something dollars or something, right? And now that is not a good thing. One thing I need to do is I need to change my daily loss limit back to 300, because I did move it up to 750, thinking, I want to chase a larger, I want to make more money, so let me have a larger drawdown so I can, size up a bit more. But at the same time, like mentally, I don't think I'm ready for that. I would have much rather had lost $300 and then that's it, because after this I ended up over trading, right? I ended up taking more entries. Like I ended up taking NQ again over here later on. Once these 5 minutes started closing, I just literally just same thing, right? Same TP, same stop loss, basically just above, sized down a bit. Ended up making like $100 on that. And then gold, same thing. I ended up profiting on this trade as well, again after I re-entered around here. Now, had I just been more patient and waited for those to play out, like the 1 hour closing or anything like that, I could have sized in properly, and I could have very easily made $1,000. Because now look at gold, right? Gold did the dash. It did the dash. I could have easily profited off of that. And with NQ, I mean, this is a little choppy. I don't know. It's still kind of stuck in this little range. It's probably going to chop up for a bit since we had some clean moves in the last couple of days. But nonetheless, we're gonna look at the week. The week was pretty good, 6-day winning streak, whatever. And this week I did end up making about 2,500, so it's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually pretty good, because a lot of people, maybe they lost, maybe they blew their account. I'm still active, but at the same time, I do think like today, Friday, as you could tell, Fridays. Well, I guess I'm winning on Fridays, but nonetheless, I don't know, man. Next week, going to the next week, I'm changing my loss limit back to 300, and I'm just simply going to try to get base hits, right? I don't want to go for the home runs. Going for home runs is I guess like you know what it is like throughout the day, throughout the week, I was winning a lot, and then I guess when I reached Friday, I'm like, yo, let me go with a bang. Let me make a lot of money. So it made me more impulsive with my entries, and I don't like that. I don't like feeling like that. I don't want to be impulsive. I want it to be very simple when I come into the markets, and I want to build the right habits. So that's why, even though I profited on today, I don't think it was a good trading day, just because I overtraded. Nonetheless, it's going to be a new week next week. New analysis, new everything, new psychology. We just gotta come. We gotta go over the weekend, reset our mindsets, make sure that we are sharp, and we follow our trading plan, guys. What you guys do outside of the market will reflect in the market as well, right? Your performance in the market. So make sure you guys are doing the right things. Make sure you guys are reading, working out, keeping your mind sharp, eating right, staying active, all those good things, guys. Make sure you guys are studying if you need to. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, how did your trading week go? How did your trading day go? Did you guys take a win, a loss? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.